Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now let's solve this try these question. So here we are given that a bus started its journey and reached different places with a speed of 60 km per hour. Okay. So there was a bus which started its journey and it has reached different places. Okay. And the speed of the bus is equals to 60 km per hour. Okay. Right. Alright. So this is the map of the journey of the bus. Now find the total distance covered by the bus from A to D. Okay, so this is point A and this is point D. So total distance covered by the bus. So I will say total distance covered by the bus from A to D. Okay, so we have got 4170 kilometer plus 3410 kilometer plus 2160 kilometer. Okay, so if I'm going to add all these three, the total value is 9740 kilometer. Okay, so the total distance covered by the bus from A to D is 9740 kilometer. Okay, next is find the total distance covered by the bus from D to G. So this is point D and this is point G. So total distance covered from D to G is, let me add this. So total distance covered by the bus from D to G. Okay. So this is 8140 plus 4830 plus 2550 kilometer. Okay, so all this is in kilometers. I'm just going to mark kilometer as well. So the total distance over here is this is 25. So if we are going to add all these three, the total distance that we get is 15,520 kilometer. Okay, so the first two questions are done. Now find the total distance covered by the bus if it starts from A and returns back to A. So it is starting from A and then coming back to A. So in that case, what we can do, starting from A and coming back to A means, starting from A and coming back to A can also be represented as this can also be represented as A to D, okay, plus D to G, okay, D to G plus 1290 kilometer, right? So I am going to add these. So this is going to be, now A to D is 9740 kilometer that we already have. D to G is 15,520 kilometer that we already have. Okay, and then G to A is 1290 kilometer, right? So I'm going to add all of these. So this is 9740. Okay, then 15,520 and then 1290. Okay, so let's add all these three. So we have got 0, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5 carry over 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So we have got 5 carry over 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So 6 carry over 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have got 26,550 kilometer. Okay. So the total distance is 26,550 kilometer. Now can you find the difference of distances from C to D and D to E? Okay. C to D is 2160 kilometer. C to D, this is the fourth question. So C to D is 2160 kilometer. Okay, this is on screen, you can see here C to D is 2160 kilometer and D to E is 8140 kilometer. D to E is 8140 kilometer. Okay, so let's just find out the difference. 8140 minus 2160. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we have to carry over here. We have to take carry over. So this is we have to borrow 1. So this is 14. Okay, 14 minus 6 is 8. Now this becomes 0. Okay, and then we again borrowed 1 from here. So this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, and this becomes 7, and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so this is 5980 kilometer. Okay, now the last is find out the time taken by the bus to reach A to B. Okay, so we have to find out the time taken by the bus to reach from A to B. So A is A to B, the distance is 4170 kilometer. Okay, so let's just find out. Okay, A to B distance is equals to, you can see the distance over here is 4170 kilometer. So 4170 kilometer, and time taken is equals to distance divided by speed. So 4170 divided by 60. Okay, and we get 69.5 hours. Okay, right. Now next one is time taken from C to D. Okay, C to D is 2160 kilometer. Okay, so C to D distance is equals to 2160 kilometer. Time taken is equals to distance divided by speed. So 2160 divided by 60. So this is 6 into 36. So this is 36 hours. Okay, right. Next we have to find the distance from E to G. Okay, so E to G is 4830. Okay, plus 2550. Okay, so E to G distance is equals to 4830 kilometer plus 2550 kilometer. Okay, 4830 plus 2550, right? So let's just add this. 4830 plus 2550. So we have got 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3 carry over 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 7380 kilometer. So time taken is equals to distance divided by speed. So 7380 divided by 60, and this is equals to 123 hours. Alright, and the last is total journey. So time taken for total journey, we have to calculate the time taken for total journey. Okay, so the total distance travelled is 26,550 kilometer. Okay, so total distance travelled is equals to 26,550 kilometer. So time taken for total journey is equals to 26,550 kilometer divided by 60. So let's just divide this. Okay, right. All right. So we know that the first division will be 60 into 4. That is 60 into 4 is, we know that 60 into 4, 4 into 6 is 24. This is 240. So we have got 240 over here. We'll subtract this. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. So next we have 255. Okay. So 5 will come down. So we have 255. So again 60 into 4 is, again we have 240. Okay. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So we have 150. Okay. So we know that 60 into 2 is 120. So into 2. So we have 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is 30. Okay. Now we'll put a decimal over here. We have 0. Now 60 into 5 is 300. So total time taken for the entire journey is 442.5 hours. Okay. So I have done big calculations for some of these, and for some I have shown you how to calculate and I have written down the answers. What I want you to do is, I want you to calculate each and every answer by yourself and then match it with the answers in the video. Okay? Right.